Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a small little haul from Walmart. And I had to order some stuff online and get some stuff in the store. Anyway, I'm just going to show you some of the stuff that I did pick up. I did pick up some different ribbon. So I got some satin. This is white, pink, red, baby blue. Also have purple and steel gray. They're in the other room. Same size, same brand. And then some gross grain in black. These are all 1.5 inches. That's for some party stuff that I was working on for some people. And then these are some magnetic pieces. I hadn't seen this. Was in a different Walmart that I was in. And they were already, so they can just be decorated. And I have some ideas for this. So looking forward to playing with those. I also want to have my grandson make one for something he wants to throw in his fridge or whatever when he comes to visit. But anyway, I have a craft idea I want to do with that. So they were like $2.50 for 9. And I did get a couple label sets because I use these on the back and on the back of my bows. So they had these. So hopefully these will work nicely. I might take one back. I don't know if I need both sides. I'm going to see how they look. So which one I'm going to keep or if I need both. And then I did pick up, well, some paper. You know, they're color boxes like $5 a pad. So this is just, I had got this first. And then I had got the craft and the white. And it didn't have any black. This haul is like old, I guess I want to say. I just hadn't showed it, rather decided to put it together with the yarn. But I had also got, and you've seen these, nothing new, the Candy Bright stack and then the primer. Because a lot of my 12 by 12 kind of got damaged. I mean, they still useful, I can cut them down, but I still needed some 12 by 12. And these come in handy, so I just went on and got both of these just to keep my stock up. And it's going a big side of a lot of them, so I just had to cut them down and then make them to a smaller size. But I still need a 12 by 12 for scrapbooking, so that's why I got these. I do have some other 12 by 12 paper, but they're the thicker ones, and I use those, the 80-pound, which is really hard to come by. I use those for more like the boxes and stuff. So these are like what, the 65, 25 or whatever it is weight. But I have some heavier ones, but this is my normal ones that I use for crafting and scrapbooking. So I wanted to replenish this. And like I said, this was bought a while ago as well. But anyway, just showing you all. And then the last thing was, and oh my gosh, Walmart is really stepping up their game as far as like they've redone all their craft stuff again. It's totally a lot of Cricut stuff, a lot of We Are Member Keeper stuff is now in, you know, Walmart, which I was like really surprised. They had the punch set, the jewelry, I can't think of names of them, the miniature laser cutter. Then they've got the other brand now stuff, not Essentials. Is it Essentials? Some brand that they have now. No, it's not with a W. Westcott. But anyway, so they're picking up a lot of different. They're redoing their craft out, I guess, because everybody with this virus is, you know, doing sewing and doing a lot of crafts, I guess. But anyway, so this is some washi that I got, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in it, and some animals, animal prints. It's a floral, and it says wild and free. And this one has the tape dispenser. So anyway, so got that, and that is it for my Walmart. Nothing spectacular, but I was just showing it. Just, you know, sometimes people don't think about it. They do have a lot of crafting stuff, especially if you need Cricut stuff. They have a lot of it there. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless you.